Coby, and Ryley is there, and this is Coby TV. And the time is drum roll. What are we doing? Ba 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 ba. Gully. Say it. Survivors, we're making cake.
Yeah.
Cake.
It's very exact.
With Duncan. I'm here. It's the taste tester. He's He's the taste tester, and I'll get the other one right now. Taste tester. I'm taste tester, sir. Now I'll get the cooker. We are Coby's. We are the master of cooking.
This is what you do when you don't have a muffin tray.
Oh gosh. There's no room.
We're not fit in between.
Dun, dun, dun.
Why are you not letting me be in the YouTube? Hi, Isaac. This is my old show here.
That's right here. Don't worry, we'll just let you do some.
Let's do some baking with Ryley and Mummy. Holding the camera is my mum. My great mum. I was gonna marry her. No, I can't.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Go on then.
Hi guys.
Do you want me to show you first?
Yeah. So I thought.
Wait, here. It's not big. Big.
If you stretch it really hard. There. Basically, you just crunch it in.
Yeah. Put the shell on the side. We'll put it in the bin. Ah!
Smashed. Yoked. We're being yoked. We got it yoked.
Are you going to put that in the bin then, Coby?
Yes. Now you can get
Tasting.
Okay, right, ready? Let's try again.
Okay, this one.
Just as well the floor needed to clean anyway. Oh,
Oh, Ticky!
we got it.
Can I lick the no coffee?
Yeah, you know you take free.
Not Tick.
Go.
Okay, the mixture.
Go. You say go. Mo.
Goat.
Go on a coat. On a boat.
Coat.
Or floats.
That'd be weird because goats don't fit on boats that float.
Goats do fit on boats.
They make it sink.
No, if I put you on a raft, would you sink?
Yeah.
That means goats will not sink because they're tinier.
All done?
And they can butt you off a roof and then blam! Oh. Why are you looking at me like that?
All done?
That's my job.
We ought to add water. So we've added our water. Yes?
Yes.
Turn down your volume. This is going to be very loud.
I should have did that for this.
Turn the camera around, yo. How are you doing that? How are you doing? Well, get that volume down. Turn it down twice.
And the ball's in there.
You hold it properly? Let me let go. Right, because it'll come off auto. Right, Ryley's turn to do a bit. Hold properly. And turn it up a bit.
I can do it all on my own.
Ready?
What we do? What
Scoop some in. Into each bit.
Let's get some into.
Down the other side. Oh, no.
Can I scoop some
Yep.
in myself?
You.
worry, this is gonna rise, guys.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You've got to try and make sure it all goes into one of the things.
I need more.
Just try and make sure they don't go between it, otherwise it'll get wasted.
Can you please move a little so I can get it? Come on. So these are going to be very chocolatey.
Yeah, pretty chocolate.
It's because is this chocolate cake?
Mm-hmm.
Cupcakes to be exact.
Cupcake. Chocolate cupcakes.
Oh no, it's just.
You keep touching me with the mix.
Whoops. We can wash our hands after.
Or you can lick them.
Or we can lick it. That's my idea. To get the best of
Well,
the
we
chocolate.
have had to do the bit where you save your scoops for licking afterwards, because they're not sharp, so we can... Oh, I caught you.
And some of these. I'm gonna do this.
You know, some of these are chocolate.
Okay. Like the chocolate.
Come on!
Stop watching. Yeah,
Can
you
I lick it?
You can finish that after.
Lick it.
Come on then.
You licked.
It's really good.
I hate camera on. Hi guys. That's why you should have brought a camera stand, bro.
You don't call me bruh.
They was talking to me. Do you know there's an old for bro? It's an old word for bro.
Just
You're my
This would be a hell of a lot better if we had a proper muffin tin rather than a roasting dish that we were doing it in, to be honest.
Yes! Better.
roasting.
I Taken. Taken. Oh, you would have dipped them in the chocolate. What?
Otherwise you would have dipped them in the chocolate.
I wouldn't. I'd be like,
This is fun.
There's going to be some funny shaped cupcakes, aren't they?
Yeah.
yeah.
Next thing to purchase might just be a proper muffin cake tin, cooking tin. So it holds them in the right shape. Because they're all wonky looking.
Maybe a new electric whisk. It's not really working, is it?
It did whisk it.
Banjo.
Go.
We are putting the custard on.
Custard?
It's not custard. Icing. Icing. Because I didn't know it was icing.
Don't know what flavour.
Vanilla.
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 Aren't they beautiful shaped cakes? Not very round, are they?
Yeah. Not very round.
Just to say, we should definitely get a muffin tin. Yes, we should always say that. We should
Okay,
always
right,
say
move on to the next one.
We should whisk.
Right, Kobe's nearly finished. He's been dug straight in.
Yes.
I care about having lots of this.
Because I'm like.
Use the back of your spoon to smooth it out, Kobe. Smooth
Moving it out.
out what you've got so that Ray has a chance to use something too.
Moving it out. Moving it out.
Ah, custard.
Icing.
Icing. You are so silly.
Zoe. It's just the two
one of those.
yummies.
I like the biggest first.
And keeps getting.
You're going in slow motion, aren't you?
I know, I've like a lot of them on mine.
Me too. That's really hard. I need some more custard on this one so I can put it
You
on.
keep calling it custard!
Yes.
What do I-
Did you just clean these tables?
I did a little bit, but I'll clean it again, don't worry.
I
Don't worry.
care. I just don't care a little. Because these are not my tables.
No.
Fine. I look. So I wouldn't really care. I only care about my own things.
Me too.
I'm definitely eating a lot of this.
Nope.
Hey, I already done it.
So you're not having any more then? Is that what you mean? Okay, right, you're going to put your...
this off of the booth.
Yeah, and then you can put your
Can I
rice beef on top. Yeah, go on then. As long as you're not putting it back on. Or was it trying to run away from you, Riley?
Yes. I have really big cupcakes.
Do you know if maybe put this in the bin?
Yeah, bad idea. Oh, your face.
Ah, your face.
Face.
Yeah, you got to right, make sure you don't put your
Beautiful face.
Right, Kobe, you've forgotten your icing thing. Your
There we go.
Skylanders.
Guys, Flylanders?
Okay, put your spoon in the
Do
thing
you know
then.
what I call them? Do you know what I call
In the sink.
these? Do you know what I call
Spoon in the sink.
Skylanders?
What?
Spoon in the sink.
Do you know what
Thank
I call Skylanders? I call them Flylanders. Because they live on a flying island. Some of them can fly.
Go on then. You put them on.
I like to call them Flylanders.
Me too. Me too. Me too. Me too. Finished!
Take Flylander by Flylander.
Flylander. I'm gonna make a Flylander.
Hands off.
Do you know I have the materials to make a Flylander?
Well done.
Done.
What are you doing?
Action.
Yep.
Hi, we're Coby TV. And now we're gonna taste the We're doing a taste test.
The cakes we made are here. And there are even more over there.
Come on.
And food fight is here.
Then let's begin.
And then Byro.
Legendary, I think that is. I'm not the best at Flylanders.
Delicious the custard is.
It's not custard, it's whatever writing.
Can't I keep saying it wrong? Yes, I was saying it.
I guess it makes sense.
Yes, it kind of does make sense. I think it's icing.
Now when you say custard, you're saying ice cream.
No thumbs up.
Love it.
There's a sip to this. I hope I YouTube. So this was my live stream YouTubing, and I'm in my own YouTube channel. I was on a live stream. And I'm going. I'm on TV. And this was my dream. Did I say?
Was it a success?
It's good.